Aztec is a leader in the heavy equipment industry, and we specialize in road building equipment and things that make asphalt and concrete to build those roads.
Customers are choosing Aztec over the competition because of the technology that we bring to them, the innovation we bring to them, the service and support, the trust and respect, the devotion we have to them.
When I'm out driving, I see one of our machines on the road. I mean, it's an immediate sense of pride. I know what it took to produce that product. I know the man hours that we put in. I know that we built the product and it's built right.
The founders of Astec are, of course, Don Brock, and then the other four were Mike Yucatel, Al Guth, Gail Mize, and Norm Smith, me. We're fortunate that we knew each other so well. We were trying to come up with names, and so what we did is we were making lists. It was on Mike's list and on my list too. It was Asphalt Technology on the list. We shortened it to ASTEC. We were starting so small, nobody knew our name. We had to hire some employees, but we couldn't hire too many because we couldn't afford too many. And the idea at the time was not to build a plant because we thought that was too big a jump for the time, and we wanted to build components of asphalt plants, sell parts. So Don sold the plant before we really had even a place to build it. And then we said, uh-oh, we got to build a plant.
Don was a very humble person and would not talk much about success. If you talked to him about what he had achieved, it was always the team.
He was a great teacher, and he really cared about the people he worked with. He didn't like the idea of just being the big boss. He wanted to be considered one of the people that helped the company, and the employees all cared about him.
I started with Aztec as a college intern, and once I got here, you discover that the guy who runs the place, the founder, Don Brock, is like a superstar. He was like everybody's father figure. You know, he was the guy that everybody impersonated. He always had these note cards. They were the same yellow 3x5 note cards. He used them all the time. He was an inventor at heart, very innovative. He was always coming up with ideas. When he had an idea, he would sketch it on the note card and hand you the note card. And so it became part of our culture here.
He was a great salesman and a great engineer. You know, he had over 100 patents to his name. Because of Don, a number of us had the opportunity to really have a good career. And I think a lot of people here would tell you that.
He gave us the opportunity, every one of us.
You know you were a part of something special at that time.
I believe that our team had a real focus on the customer. When they bought our equipment, they bought it because they trusted us. They bought it because they believed in us, and we weren't going to let them down.
From one generation to the next, it's very apparent to me that our customers have relied on us just as much as we've relied on our customers.
Thinking about the company from where we started to where we are today is a very proud feeling, and I'm really proud of what we accomplished. I want the employees to continue doing what they've always done, work hard to build the best equipment for the industry. And I think if Don were here, he would say a phrase to them that he repeated often. Just remember, build the best equipment, give the best service, and always keep your word.
If we take care of our customers, then everything else will take care of itself. You feel that when you walk through our manufacturing facilities, when you talk to our sales organization, our engineers, parts people, everyone in the organization is really about customers.
It is a team effort to make this global company the success that it is.
We set ourselves above other companies. Our engineering department's world class, and the way they come up with designs and things we do, it's really amazing when you look at the whole product.
Think about the innovation that this organization has really driven over the years, not only just in asphalt production itself, but in the rock road value chain, different aspects of products and solutions that really surround asphalt. And I think that understanding, what problems customers had and being able to deliver solutions is really what's made us really successful.
Our customers choose Aztec because we provide really strong solutions that get the job done day in and day out.
Astec is the place to be. It's a good place to work for.
My favorite thing about working at Aztec is getting to build new things.
I like the people, the culture. I enjoy building the product from start to finish and seeing it as a finished product being sold to a customer.
I spend most of my waking hours at Aztec, and that's not a complaint, it's a joy.
I am proud that we are able to connect people, connect people, family and friends, internationally as well.
Working for Aztec means being a part of a culture that is defined by knowledge, integrity, hard work, and respect.
We don't settle for being number one. We do not settle. We continue to improve.
We're a billion-plus company today. We want to continue to grow. I think there's a lot of exciting times ahead for Astec.
For my family, it means stability. For me, it means opportunity.
We're going to grow. Aztec's going to be here in another 50 years.
There's nothing that's going to stop us as an organization.
The sky's the limit.